2 things that are A, easy, and B, affordable, and C, portable. And so I came up with the idea of doing like elaborate tissue garlands, like so. And maybe 1 or 2 would look kind of sparse, but if you do a million of them, it looks really cool. And they're so easy, so I thought I would share with you guys how to make them. So what you need for this project is any color tissue paper that your heart desires. You can get tissue paper at the Dollar Tree for $1, and each sheet of tissue paper makes 1 garland. So if you have a pack that has 8 sheets, it's going to make at least 8 of these little tassels. So you can see how affordable that is, because if you buy one of these tassel garlands already made, they're like $5 to $12 at party stores or Target or something like that. So for the same amount of money, you can make a huge amount, and a huge amount has always more impact, I think. So what you need for this project is tissue paper, scissors, a handy dandy glue gun, and some type of string or rope or ribbon or something to use for your garland strand. Okay, y'all ready to learn how to do this? It's so easy. You're not going to believe it. I didn't believe, when I figured this out, I did not believe how easy it was. I was like, why have I been buying these? Okay, so you just take your tissue paper out of the container, package, whatever, and it's all unfolded. So we're going to fold it that way once. So we just folded it in half, and then we're going to fold it in half again this way. So it's like a little book. And now what we're going to do is we're going to cut strips in it to make the fringe for the tassels. We're not going to cut all the way up to the fold because we need to keep some extra. So say we're going to cut up to about like right there. Get your scissors out and just make you some fringes. And you can vary the width of your cuts if you want more flirty tassels, then do thinner strips. If you're in a big hurry, you can always do wider strips, so it'll go faster. It really doesn't take that long to make these anyway. I mean, it does if you make as many as I do, but I go a little overboard. Does any of you guys go overboard? Probably if you're watching a craft video, you do. You know me. I gotcha. Alright, that's all we've done. Looks like a little hula skirt. And when you unfold it, you can see that this middle part is still wide. So we are going to simply cut that in 2. There we go. Now we're going to unfold it. Make all the little arms go in one direction and the other. Okay, so all you're going to do is take the very top sheet and start rolling it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of wing it. Just roll, roll, roll. And every like 3 turns or so, sorry, I'm gonna text. Every 3 rows or so, straighten out your tendrils. So roll, straighten, straighten, roll, straighten, straighten, and so on. And when you get to the end, it looks like that. And you just take the middle and twist. And the tighter you twist it, it will start to form a little thing like that. So now I'm just going to put some glue in there, right there. And hold it together for a minute, and then I'll twist again. are you taking over the video? Are you going to do the video now and tell everybody how to make these things? Is that a lot of tassels to tantalize a kitty with? So you can see how easy it is to make tassels. And once you've made up all your tassels, it's time to make your garland. This is like literally the easiest craft project ever. And you know, you could even do it with things like newspaper or paper bags, just cut them up in strips. Alrighty. So we're just going to get our little bit of ribbon or rope or whatever we want to use. Ready for this? All you do, thread that right through the hole. And there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can just leave it loose, and that way when you hang it, you can arrange the tassels wherever you want them. Or if you want to tie them in place, you can do that too. You can do any color combination you want. And I think they look better if they're spaced out a little bit. If you put them really close together, it kind of loses its tassel-y look. So I think they look good, like, yay far away. But depends on what you want. Tied another one on there. I mean, they're so cute. This would be so cute for weddings, birthday parties, showers. Just for yourself, if you want to decorate a little, like over your mantle or something, or over your daughter's bed would be cute. And voila, the easiest craft project ever. Garland, tassel garland. Yay! Thanks for watching.